Hey, Richie, what's going on?
Hey, Maddie.
Goodness sakes.
I should probably go find George because he doesn't really know anybody.
Look, I'll go with you.
Tori's mom wants to meet you.
Right now?
She's a fan. I need to talk to you.
Oh, okay.
Sit here, sit down. I got you a gift.
Thanks. Thanks for not rushing me.
Yeah. Well, this is only half the gift.
Yeah?
It doesn't work without the story.
Okay.
This stuff was invented by this man in central Ohio as white goo, and he used it to remove soot off of wallpaper from old-fashioned heating.
Mm-hmm.
So as gas and electric heating came in, there was no longer a need for the cleaning goo. So you know the guy was going under, but his sister-in-law, who was a nursery school teacher.
Now, is this a true story?
The man's name was Joe McVicker. His sister-in-law was Kay Zufall.
Okay, I believe you.
So Kay Zufall discovered that her little kids liked squeezing the goo a lot more than hard modeling clay. So she suggested to her brother-in-law, Joe, that they color the stuff and call it Play-Doh.
Hey. Nice.
So, I have kept this for a long time as proof that we're all just one small adjustment away from making our lives work. You can see why I thought of this for you. Can't you?
Yeah. Thanks. I'm gonna put it away, because if anybody asks me what it is, I could never tell that story as well as you do. Oh, just see the watch. Oh, it's beautiful. Maddie gave you that?
Thank you for having me. Excuse me. I need to talk to you, really. And that means I need to get you out of this party. No, if that feels out of the question to you, there's probably nothing to talk about.
Good night. Good night.
I'm gonna go wait out at the bus stop for the next 10 to 15 hours. I'm kidding. I'll be out there for a while.
Hey, can I talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, come here.
Okay. Maddie, I just...